CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'll be breaking down my exact play. I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I've at least seen what's printing me money and what's not. Meaning that as I'm looking and observing Circle Internet Group, I was just on the freaking bleeding edge of buying if I saw the second break, but we had like a complete turnaround and the price just kept melting, you know. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that. Now I'm going to explain my exact bias because this doesn't automatically even make me bearish. The truth and the reality is that there's nothing unusual when the price is correcting down. I mean, after going up for such a long time. Remember that the first time I made videos, this thing was sitting at 76 bucks, I believe. Let's check. Yeah, it was 76.98, looking to take it to like 104 3 weeks ago. And not only did this deliver, not only if I see that the double break taking place, only then I'm looking to further take things up. All right, so how's that going to look like? Well, very simply put, here's the top. And only if I see that shift, only then I'm taking advantage. If not, it's good. Like, no sweat, I'm not forcing no buys. So there you go. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. And I have a lot of previous CRCL receipts with top results. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my pre-emails, and I'll see you in the next one.